Alright, so now that I've turned this down to round stock by hand, gave myself some pieces to clamp onto here at the ends. What I'm going to do now is, after the lathe, I'm going to bring it over here to my CNC with the rotary module, and I'll be able to clamp this in here, fit it up with the tailstock, and I will do the detail cut on this blank stock here. So, and then eventually, once that's cut out, I'll trim up the ends and drill the center out for the screwdriver. Alright, so I got everything cleaned up and I'm getting ready. I got more blanks to turn, get them set so I can run them through the CNC. Alright, so let's see what we got for this blank here. Top end. We've got 49, okay. And at the low end, we got 42. So that's pretty good. That should give me plenty to work with throughout. Should should give me plenty to work with throughout, and the whole thing's tapered to begin with. So we'll get this set up on the snap maker and see about cutting this down.